How to log in IKEA earning. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into IKEA earnings. Login in IKEA earnings is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit IKEA earnings, type IKEA earnings, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link, it will take you directly to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see field to enter your email or phone number and your password. Input the email or phone number associated with your IKEA earning in the designated field. Then enter your password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgot your password. Click on continue. After entering your credential, click on the continue button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.